Thank you for watching the SewEzi Grande table assembly video. Included in your SewEzi Grande table package are the SewEzi Grande tabletop, the base and leg assembly, your acrylic machine insert, and the hardware kit. You will need to select a large flat area for assembly. Use a towel or a blanket to provide a soft working surface. Lay base leg assembly on your soft working surface. Extend the legs until they are just past a 90-degree angle. Loosen the screws on the metal stay with your 5mm Allen key wrench. Then hook the stays onto the screws on the base of your table. Then retighten your screws. Lay the base leg assembly on its side. Then insert screws through points A, B, C, D, E, and F so that the screws poke through the top of the base. On your acrylic insert, there will be a sticker indicating how many 3mm white spacers will be used in assembly. Each assembly requires a different amount of spacers, so make sure you refer to the acrylic insert that was sent to you. Make sure to use the thicker 3mm spacers at this point, as the thinner 1.5mm spacers are used for fine-tuning the depth of your machine. Once you've determined the number of spacers to use, thread the spacers onto the screws inserted at points A through F. Thread the white posts onto each screw. Leave the rods slightly loose so they are free to move a bit. Repeat this process until all 6 white posts are on the table. Stand the table base on its feet. Attach the top of the table to the 6 white posts with the remaining 6 screws. Take the 4 black caps and press them firmly onto the foot adjusting screws. Use the adjustment screws to level your table. We recommend your table be set to the industry standard of 29 inches. Place your acrylic insert, and your sewing machine should slide right in. Once your machine is in place, you are ready to enjoy your SewEzi Grande. Let's go and sew.